Hello, children. Today I am going to tell you a short story of peace and harmony. Are you ready? Here we go. Once there was a thick forest. Look at the forest. How thick it was. In that forest, there lived many animals, birds, snakes, and insects. Do you know how did they live? Yeah, they lived together happily. They never did harm anyone. They roamed all over the jungle happily together. Let's see how they lived. The peacocks were proud of their dances. The peacocks admired the beautiful songs of the cuckoos. They often held musical evenings in the forest. For that, they would invite the moon and the stars as their guests of honor. Let's watch how they held musical evenings.
In the jungle go squawk, 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 squawk. The parrots in the jungle go squawk, 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 all day long. The monkeys in the jungle go ooh, 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 ooh. The monkeys in the jungle go ooh, 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 all day long. Tigers in the jungle go grr, 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 grr. The tigers in the jungle go grr, 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 all day long. The snakes in the jungle go s, 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 s. The snakes in the jungle go s, 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 all day long. Crocodiles in the jungle go snap, 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 snap. The crocodiles in the jungle go snap, 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 all
Then the tiger exhibited gymnastics. Then the deer danced well. Thus, the animals were living together happily. But there came a dirty, dangerous, and cunning fox. Ah, this forest is so peaceful, and all the animals are living together happily, so that I couldn't get anything to hunt. I would not be happy without hunting. I have to do something and make animals be separated. I'll change the minds of poor animals. So it went to the elephant and said, "You are the biggest animals in the forest and strongest as well. Then why do you want to play with the squirrels and the rabbits?" Then it tried to spoil the minds of peacocks. "You are the loveliest birds in the forest. Why do you want to praise my nose?" Finally, it approached and convinced the deer. "The tiger is waiting for a chance to kill you, my dear deer. Then why do be friendly with them?" Now it was easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals and the birds. And when the smaller ones cried out for help, no one came to the help. One by one, the little ones disappeared. The forest slept as the animals were afraid. There were no more musical evenings. Then the moon was unhappy and thought for a while and decided to come down among the animals and the birds as a sadhu. Then the sadhu brought the lion and the rabbits together and told them, "Be friends." Then he visited pythons and the viper and had a long chat with them. He advised them not to attack any. As Sadhu said, every animal obeyed, and the fox had nothing to hunt again. Then it thought for a while. "The Sadhu has changed everything. I have greatly influenced the animals and divided them. But this Sadhu changed their minds to be together again. Whenever I get a chance, I'll kill him." Thus, the fox is awaiting to get a chance to kill the sadhu. Do you want to know what happened next? Then Open your textbook and read the lesson Peace and Harmony and find how the peace and harmony is restored in the forest again.